Is it time to buy or sell YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF? In this video, we will explore the YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 5th of September, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Take advantage of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since July 23, 2025, our system has identified the YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.2. Now, let's examine the performance of the ETF during this time frame. The ETF recorded a loss of -26.15%. This equates to an average loss of -0.82% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund lies at the bottom of a very wide and declining trend in the short term, which may present a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $15.16 be breached, it will initially signal a stronger rate of decline. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 23.55% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -25.78% and -4.81%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -26.29%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -68.35% and +63.61% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $4.94 and $25.56. Our latest daily update for YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy Exchange Traded Fund includes the headline, YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF upgraded to sell candidate. The YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF price increased by 2.36% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 5th of September, 2025. The price rose from $15.26 to $15.62. During that trading day, the ETF fluctuated 4.58%, reaching a low of $14.97 and a high of $15.65. The price has declined in 6 out of the last 10 days and is down by 6.41% during this period. Volume decreased by 4 million shares on the last day, with a total of 7 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $114.10 million. It is important to note that decreasing volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $46.50, while the lowest was $14.84. Currently, the price stands at 66.41%, or $30.88, below the 52-week high of $46.50, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. MSTY, the YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy Exchange Traded Fund, has garnered attention once again due to its substantial monthly distributions and its options-driven strategy related to MicroStrategy and Bitcoin exposure. Recent analysis has spotlighted a year filled with impressive cash payouts and notable headline performance, while also pointing out some structural drawbacks, the mechanics of covered calls and synthetic longs that generate income, but at the cost of capping potential gains and introducing option-related risks. Market observers have categorized MSTY as a hold, indicating mixed feelings among yield-seeking investors and those skeptical about total returns. In the short term, significant distributions and positive news can draw in capital and elevate the market price of the ETF. However, its close correlation with MicroStrategy and Bitcoin implies that sharp movements in these assets will lead to volatile net asset value fluctuations. Over the long term, a consistent strategy of selling calls tends to underperform a straightforward investment in MicroStrategy during sustained market rallies. Thus, while MSTY may attract income-focused investors, it risks lagging behind in major bull markets. Additionally, concentrated exposure to cryptocurrencies and inherent structural complexities heighten the possibility of larger declines if either MicroStrategy or Bitcoin experiences downturns. It is essential to keep an eye on distribution levels, option activities, and movements in MicroStrategy to gauge future price directions. The following signals have been identified for the YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy Exchange-Traded Fund. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 4th of September, 2025, and so far it has risen by 2.36%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal is present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased during the last trading day despite price gains, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The exchange-traded fund should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the short-term outlook. The YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy Exchange-Traded Fund displays sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more pessimistic forecast. Furthermore, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is situated above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance will be encountered at the levels of $15.74 and $18.44. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. Here are some additional signals you might find noteworthy. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger presented a buy signal 25 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 11 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average presented a sell signal 33 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 30 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 33 days ago. The long-term moving average also showed a sell signal 33 days ago. However, the relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 156 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF. YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy finds support from accumulated volume at $15.50. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund experiences significant movement throughout the day and possesses a large prediction interval according to the Bollinger Band, categorizing it as high risk. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by 685 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low points, which is a change of 4.58%. In the last week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 3.86%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF is at $16.62. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF encounters its first support level at $15.50. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point anticipating a rebound. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund and have not established a stop loss. Is YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF a good buy? YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy holds several negative signals and is positioned within a very wide and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate that it will continue to perform weakly over the next few days or weeks. As a result, our evaluation of this ETF has shifted from a strong sell to a sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 8th of September, we expect YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF to open lower by 208 ten-thousandths of a dollar, starting at $15.41. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.